Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel The Good Art Studio. How are you all? I hope you all are good and safe. Let's start with another interesting video session today, and trust me, today's painting is very special because it has come on request of many of my dear ones. So today's painting is going to be a Radhe Krishna painting. More details I'll speak later on in the video itself. Let's check out on the brushes which I am going to use today. So the first one is 0, then this is 6 number brush, then 11, and the last two one are the 12 number brush, which are of different brands. One is from Faber-Castell and another is from the local brand. And one more brush I am going to use, that is the stencil brush of number 2, which is later on. Friends, as I've told you, today's painting is very special because for the very first time I am doing something on request. I mean, from my friends, not from my family members. So this is like going to be a very rich painting of Radha Krishna, very colorful. There are many subjects in it, like we have the bushes, we have the trees, the parrots, peacock and deers. So I'm going to do today is the basic part to fill up the base of this painting. I'm going to fill up all the colors, the basic colors. The detailed part I'm going to show you in the next session. So in case you want to do this for you, then you need to watch till the end. Please check out the colors and how the blending I'm doing. I've started with the sky, which I'm doing with blue and purple to make it and give it a look of an evening sky. Friends, as I have decided to split it into two parts, and the first one is I'm releasing today, and the second one I'll be releasing next day. So, this video is going to be very long. Trust me, this is day 2 when I'm doing the editing of this video. And in the morning I have done the the green part of this painting, the bushes, the flowers, because I have given a complete time for each subject to dry, and then I have again use colors on it. So I thought of, if I'll be editing this full video with the till the ending, so it is going to be a very long video, which is not very much applicable for YouTube. So uh, that's why I have split it up. So please stay tuned and don't forget to check out the next part of this beautiful painting, which I'm going to add kundans, I'm going to add outliners, other detailed part of the dresses, the mukuts, and there are birds and other things which I have mentioned earlier. I have to complete that also. So please wait for another day and I'll show you the final version of it, how beautiful it is going to begin. So, guys, the color combination of Radha and Krishna's dresses, which I have thought of today, is I'm going to give a dark mauve color to the sari of Radha and with a red color blouse. And for Krishna, I'm going to give a yellow color dhoti with a pink color chunni. I think it will be very beautiful, and when I'll, give the detailed outlines on the dresses, so you can check out the complete version of the dresses, how I have given each particular details. You can check it out in the next day. Friends, I want to share one tip for mixing color today. You have seen whenever I am mixing the colors, especially on today's session, you can see the particular portion in the mauve color which I have prepared in the palette. So my tip is to uh, I have used three colors in this, that is the magenta color, the red, and a little bit of black to give it a dark shade. So the tip which I am going to tell you is, if you complete the last color which you are using to make your combination darker, that is for this sari color my darker element is the black. So what I have done is, when I have used the magenta and red color, I have mixed it up. So at the time of adding the black color, I have not mixed the black color in the entire palette. Okay, so I have added only in the half portion, and you can see it. The later, the mixture of red and magenta color is still there. So what I'm going to tell you is, you start with the darker shade on the subject wherever you want to paint your darker shade, and then coming to the later on part, you use a little bit of the main colors, that is red and magenta. So it will give you a very beautiful look. You can see on the sari, it is not completely the the darker shade of mauve, but it is having the lights of those mixtures, the main colors, that is the red and the magenta. You can see it is reflecting the color. So if you use in this manner, trust me, your color combination, it is going to be very interesting and very bright, and it will reflect the way you want. So, guys, if you are an Indian and you have then definitely heard this song about Krishna saying to his mom that Yashomati Maiya se bole Nand Lala, Radha क्यों गोरी और मैं क्यों काला. So why it is said like this? Because our Krishna is little bit darker, so I have given the color of a very subtle blue. So I mixed sky blue color with white, and I'm not completely making the skin color of Krishna very dark or black in color, but I've given a subtle blue color to signify that okay, Krishna is having the little bit darker shade. And see how beautiful is looking with Radha having beautiful pink skin color. You can also do the same in case you are performing this art for yourself. Guys, here I have done the flowers on the bushes. These are white flowers which are curling up on the jhula, and also you can see on the different parts of the bushes. So these are white flowers with a pink, the middle portion is pink. And I have done this flowers into two parts actually. First, this is the first coating which I have done, and next I have left it to dry completely, and then I have given another coat of the white color. You can see in the end how detailed these flowers are. It is really looking very beautiful on canvas. If you are doing this painting, please perform this art on canvas. Okay guys, this is the stencil brush number 2 which I was talking about. I have just used it to blend the sky and give it a little bit of whitish color. friends, this is how I have completed the final part of the flowers. This is the second coat of white and pink which I am applying on the flowers. You can also perform the same. And with this I am ending up with the first part of the video. I will definitely going to release the second part by tomorrow, or I think latest by day after tomorrow. So stay tuned for the part 2, and thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, and I'm still working on this painting, so let's finish it fast. Thank you and stay tuned. Bye bye.